Yes, it's clove garlic. It's even bigger than the last time. And hopefully I won't die this time. I swear. Seriously? Yeah. It's pretty hot, yeah. Not a bad though. I recommend getting water afterwards though. Oh, it's tea with milk in it. There. Still in a little bit of pain. Not as bad as last time. I mean, it's just garlic.